Hey folks, Tony coming at you. Well, that's where we're at. We got a couple more over here. That's a parts mower. That's a parts mower. That's a parts mower. Got that one fixed. Got that one fixed. Got that one fixed. This one's fixed. This one needs blades and some carb work. This one had a bad engine. I put another engine in it. Good to go. There's that zero turn I was talking about. I got this for free. That works. That just needed a muffler. Yep. This one was out back. I took a cooler, put the Cooler Courage on it from Pullin' Pro that had a bad rear end. That one works. I need to get the deck set. I sold the twin on this one. Then I put another one on. So I gotta wire that up and get it gone. I got one more down there. That one's ready to go. Junk MTD. In the back, it is fixed. This one needs an engine. Yeah. There's the Pullin' Pro that was here, tore down. And then you see back here, I cleaned up. Got one there. Gotta check out this one. These I moved back here on those. So I really got left to work on. This one, this is sweet. I believe this is the 820. Has the 1-inch axle. And it's a 6-speed. I almost guarantee it is. I'm pretty sure that's the Prius 820, which I've been looking for one of these for some time. And I got this one for free. So I'm going to keep that one. I got to fix this one, get it gone. Keeping this one. Getting rid of this one. I'm going to fix this one or use the engine, one of the two. Fix that one. I don't know what I'm going to do with that one. Parts. But yeah, I got rid of quite a few mowers. One of the zero turns is gone. The blue one. And now my goal is just, I'm getting rid of everything. But a couple things. A couple errands I'm keeping, and all these tractors are going. Yeah. Alright. I don't know. Hopefully this ain't too shaky. If it is, I'm not even going to post it anyways, but... Yep. That's what we're doing. I just wanted to give myself a little video reference of what I have, because it'll all be going with the quickness. And I get rid of these next. I got snow blowers and rototillers and all that. Alright folks, until next time, Stony out.